So exhausting being a YouTuber, man. What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another video. Not follow. It's late, man. It's late. Like I said, it's exhausting. Watch along with me as I do this unboxing. I finally got a piece of equipment that I've been needing. I did a little research this time, so stay tuned. As always, make sure to like, comment down below, and share, and subscribe. Because we ain't gonna get these meals and hit these deals without your help. So I've been meaning to get a new microphone. The last ones that I ordered just wasn't cutting it. I did not like the audio. If you pay attention, I'm gonna actually post the cards up here to one or two videos that I did with these old microphones, but man, I absolutely hated the way that they sound. I tried tweaking them, even with post-editing, production, it's horrible, man. So I did research. There was no in-between. I think the last mic that I paid was like $20, $30, and there's really no in-between 20 to 30 or 300 until I seen this boy. Which boy? This boy. Hollyland Lark M1. So these have been in my cart for a little bit. These are about, I think I paid like 90 bucks for these. But man, I just seen a video on these mics, or on this mic I should say, and man, the sound quality sounds amazing. So I decided, man, we're gonna do a little unboxing / review, and hopefully this is the new mic for the channel, because I'm trying to improve my content, I'm trying to improve my quality. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so jumping right into it. Box is pretty simple. Nothing super crazy. They do got some tape on the side. Ooh, was not expecting this. So first, starting off, we got a Hollyland case, and bruh, this is rugged. This is damn, this is a nice case. Okay, so we're impressed already off rips. This case is pretty solid. This almost looks like my little camera case. Another little Amazon buy. This is the case that I rock for my camera. It's kind of the same, but this definitely feels more durable. So okay, so we'll give them a point there for the case. And opening her up, what do we got here? Okay, so as we see, we have, I'm guessing this is the power bank, the charge bank, where the mics are obviously going to go into. We got two little windscreens. I'm so glad it came with these, because some of the pictures I wasn't seeing anything. We got our little coax cable that's gonna go from the mic to the camera. And we got two. Oh, different size cameras, I guess. Yeah, we have two. So we got Bam and Bam. We got, ooh, see, I did not read in the description that they put this in here. But in this is the iPhone, the lightning adapter to the iPhone. That's cool that they included that. And they included the USB-C. Man, they really came with everything on here. We got the handy dandy USB-C charger. And what is this? An instruction manual with a quick guard, after sales card, and all that good stuff. No one reads the instructions, so I don't need that. So let's get into the brass tacks. Let's get into what we all came here for.
Today, Junior?
The Hollyland Lark M1, right? I don't know. Oh, I just say the Hollyland mic. I was actually gonna buy the one mic, but I figured if I could just pay an extra $30. Wow, and everything comes charged up. That's awesome. A lot of companies don't do that anymore. Okay, so yeah, I think one mic on theirs was like 50 bucks and the two mics was like 90, so I'm like, man, you know, might as well. But off rips, it comes with the little cool case, everything. You got the lights to show the charge levels. I'm guessing four lights mean 4 charge. And we got our wireless transmitter. As soon as you pull it out, it's automatically looking to connect. We have our microphone. That's already connected. Damn. One's already connected. Okay, so I'm already liking these a lot. And I was reading on here that this yellow button on the side is actually a noise cancellation button. So if you're somewhere loud, you can have a little noise cancellation. But damn, I didn't even show you guys the back. Back comes with just a regular clip, something that you could just kind of throw on, bam, that quick. Threw it on the necklace, it's out the way. Man, these are cool. These are cool. So I mean, I was doing research, you know, obviously you see the big heavy hitters like the DJIs and, you know, all that good stuff. Uh-oh. We got one that ain't trying to turn on. Huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That boy better not be dead. That boy better not be broke. What is this, Hollyland? Nah, this bad boy probably just needs a little charge or something. I hope I don't have to send this back already. Nah. See, I'm probably doing it wrong.
Please! Please! No!
But yeah, I'm going to plug this bad boy up and we're gonna do our first sound test. We're gonna hear it together, so stay tuned. I had to get a shot on the phone, but man, as you guys can see, I had to get a shot on the phone. This clip, so the hub as well is clip, the transmitter. But as you can see, they made the clip the same size as a regular slide-in for like a shotgun mic. So you can literally slide this transmitter right on top with no additional accessories. Pretty much just links directly up to it, like it's like a built-in connector. So that's another positive note. And I did find out that that was dead. That's the reason why. But I think it's cool that they included this little charging case. So, I mean, if you're on the go, you can just kind of toss your mics in there and let them charge. So when the light is green, that means that the microphone is connected to the transmitter. And I just went and threw on this windshield. And now the mic is up and working. I haven't tweaked with the settings. This is straight out of the box. But this is pretty much how it sounds. I don't have any headphones in, so unfortunately I'm not able to hear that. Dang, this thing is terrible at focusing. Okay, so this right here is why it's important to read. It says that when the indicator is green, that means that the noise cancellation function is on. And when you press it once, it goes back to blue. So I'm guessing if it's a solid color and not blinking, that means it's connected. Turn it on green for the noise cancellation. Back to blue. Alright, so now that I tweaked the microphone to where I'm not peaking so high. Like I said, I still don't have headphones, so I'm not 100% able. But this is just a rough idea to give you guys a sound test. So I got the mic here, as you can see. I got it on blue too. I don't got the noise cancellation because I'm in the house, but yeah, this is just a mic test of the Hollyland Lark M1 microphone. And but so far so good, man. I like everything about this microphone. Contacts are dry. I like everything about this microphone. I like the feel. It feels like it's a high dollar product that you're getting at a decent price. I love the case. Like I said, the case, literally, I did not think that they were gonna send something this nice with just a microphone. But we're definitely gonna throw this in the camera bag. The charging case, man, I don't know. I guess I don't read too much into the description, but I knew it came with a charging kind of case, but this is literally like a bigger AirPod charging case, wireless charging case. As you can see, that one dead mic is still blinking in there. So I'm guessing the status indicators on here just show the charge on the case, kind of like the AirPods. But yeah, other than that, man, this is a test of the microphone, and when I do post-production edit, I'll get to officially hear this. So man, I'm hoping that this sounds amazing. Like I said, I've seen a video before with this. I was already on the fence about ordering this, and I seen a video where a guy was using this and his mic sounded literally like those $300, DJI mics, and the Rode mics, the super expensive ones. So I'm definitely feeling like if you're trying to get a budget but still really quality mic, that this is the way to go. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Yeah, other than that, we're out. Peace.